Tessarr. So I just finished bleaching my roots. I had about an inch of medium brown, dark brown in my hair come through. So I just finished bleaching them, and I wanted to show you how the Purple Rain hair dye has turned a really nice shade of blonde. So I'm so happy with how my roots have turned out from the bleach that I'm actually going to go completely blonde again, and I'm going to bleach out my purple bangs so I can go another colour. So I just mixed up another small batch of bleach. So the bleach that I've used and I'm going to be using is the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me range with the 20 volume developer, and I find these work amazingly for my hair type. So I have quite thin hair, so I find it works really well. Managed to get a nice shade of blonde within 45 minutes. So I'm going to apply the bleach straight over the top of this purple dye. So I'm just going to clip the rest of my hair out of the way so I don't touch the blonde bits. And I'm not wearing any makeup today, guys. I hope you don't mind, because I wanted to record this video but I can't be bothered putting a whole face of makeup on just to record what I want to make. So no makeup today, guys. So we're going to just put it straight over the top of the purple dye. I also don't have any gloves left, so I'm just gonna get it on as best as I can and try not to overlap where the blonde already is, because that can cause breakage. I'm actually really surprised at how well this Purple Rain dye went blonde when I did the roots, so I think it would just be nice having all over the same colour, so then I can choose whatever colour to go over these bangs again. I don't think it would take too long for the bleach to turn it blonde, because it is blonde underneath that purple, so it should just lift off that semi-permanent hair colour. So you can see already within like 1 minute that purple hair dye is lifted already from the bleach, and you can even see the yellow tint from the hair dye previously before that. So now look, it's going yellow. That's funny. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure I haven't missed any bits of the purple. So even if it goes yellow, that's fine, because I can tone that out with silver shampoo. Okay, look at that. All the yellow has come back and all the purple is gone. So I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes in my head, and then I'm going to wash it out, and then I'm going to shampoo with silver shampoo. So I've washed all the bleach out and I've covered the yellow with a silver shampoo to help neutralise it a little bit more. I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out and we'll see what we're left with. Hey, wow. So guys, as you can see, the purple has completely gone, but the yellow hair dye is still kind of there, even though we put the silver shampoo on. It is definitely more of a silvery blonde rather than like a bright yellow. So, I mean, you can still see the yellow pigment that was there, but the bleach has completely lifted all of the purple dye. Actually, it looks really nice. It's kind of subtle, but it looks good. But now, at least the roots have been blended in with the ends of the bangs. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love being blonde, it's just so nice, and you can have any hair colour you want as well. It just dyes straight over the top and it will come out. Perfect for a blank canvas for the next hair colour. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. I just wanted to show you how I bleached out my bangs to get it back to blonde. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye, guys.